Hello everyone.
One, this is your online fake news detection project using machine learning. This is the base paper for this project.
Now we can see the project simulation like how we run this project. In this project named by Python class framework and using HTML CSS for front end and the back end. And our project run our local host. How we run this project. This is our project landing page. I give real-time messages. Now our model predicts news is real. Now our model predicts fake news. I hope you like this video. If you want to more video, like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.